Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste friends. I'm coming back after a long time again. This is a very small video. I was helping out a friend of mine for some calculations in Vedic astrology in Excel, which needed the Bhukti given a date of time. So given a date and time, what Bhukti a person is running in Vimshottari Dasa, that was needed. So I was searching my videos done previously. I was not having a user-defined function for that easily. So I thought I will make it and share it with you people as well. So this is that part where you get the Vimshottari Dasa and Bhukti as a Visual Basic Applications UDF. So this is a very simple Excel tool. So what one needs to give, it is a user-defined function which is called Vimshottari. You need to give the moon's longitude at the time of birth. So that is an input. So moon's longitude at the time of birth, that you can anyway fetch it from our previous Excels or Jagannath or all the softwares. And you need to give the date of birth as well. So once these two are given, if you want the Vimshottari Dasa Bhukti for any given date time, that given date time also you have to give. So if you give a different date times, it will output what the Dasa is, what the Bhukti is, and it also outputs the prenatal start date. For instance, this person was born on the 23rd November 1926, this is. So I give the moon's longitude year, and this is also a choice by the user. You can define 360, 365. I have normally inside the UDF also use 365.25. If you want to change this, maybe you have to go and change the Vimshottari UDF also there. Wherever you find this number, you can change it to 360 or anything. And once I give this, so here I have given the date of time is a current given date and time is an input. So initially, but I have given it as a formula as G5, where G5 is a prenatal start time. So this is how the function works. Vimshottari, you give the DOB, which is the B5 part there. B4 is the DOB, B5 is the moon's longitude. And then if you put 3 there, then you get the prenatal start. If you put 2 there, you get the Bhukti. If we put 1 there, you get the Dasa. Suppose any arbitrary date and time, suppose you have a date like a current date or 20 some date I put. Okay. So I want the Vimshottari. You have to give the moon's longitude. So moon's longitude is this. You have to give the date of birth, which is this. And any given date time, which I have put in the T15 there. It will give you the Dasha, the Bhukti, and of course this is the same prenatal start time. This person, though he was born in 1926, he was born in Ragu Dasa, Ragu. I am starting with the Ragu Bhukti itself when it first initiated Ragu Dasa. So that is going back to 1910. So it is prior to the birth. So from then on it is calculating. For instance, Ragu is 18 years. So then on it will add 18 years. Then 16 years. So any date also it will give the Dasa and Bhukti. It will also give the Dasa changes in his lifetime. So 120 years. So that is the way this UDF can be used. I will put it as a downloadable Excel file for you so that you can, in case you want to carry it forward for some other calculations using this UDF, it might be useful to you. I thought of sharing it. Thank you very much.